All right, let's crush a Maxi Nerdle. This is a big old Nerdle, dude. 24 divided by 6 plus 1 times 3 equals 7. That's how we started off. Gets a bunch of characters in. We love that. Doesn't get a lot of the big numbers in, which makes it sort of hard on the second guess, but we do have division and multiplication. Maybe I do, let's do 2. Maybe I could just get some new numbers in, actually. Not 2 is nice and small. 2 times, why did the 2 just disappear? The 2 was there and then it disappeared. I don't understand why that stuff happens. Can somebody tell me why that happens? So 48 is divisible by a lot of things, but not 9. I could just do like 90 divided by 5. That gets some good numbers in. So 2 times 90 divided by 5. 90 divided by 5 is 18, so we're at 36 right now. 36. I haven't used subtraction yet, and it has to equal a single-digit number, so this is going to be hard. So this is probably a little too big. I could do 40 divided by 5, which is 8. Which now we're at 16, and now I can minus 9, and that equals 7. Don't love using the 7. This isn't a possible equation, but it gets a lot more stuff in, which I like. Moves a lot of stuff around. So we do have 2 times something. We get a 9 out of that. The only number we haven't used yet is 8. Division is sort of running out of places to go. We don't have subtraction. So 2 times something divided by something, like real fast. Like 2 times 8 divided by 4. I feel like that's a reasonable thing to put in. 2 times 8 divided by 4 is just 4. We're not going to get 9 and 5 in here, together at least. Oh, and I don't have room for... okay, so I need a double digit if I do it this way. Yeah, it's weird that the division can't go here. I want to see. I do want to check if the division goes here, because if it goes at the end of the equation, things are getting sort of weird. I guess I could make something pretty big and then divide. Like 2 times 4 times 5 is not going to be divisible by 9. I don't know. Let's just put something in. 2 times 9 times... I don't know. There's like only things that are divisible by 5 are like I need to multiply by 5 if I'm going to be able to divide by 5. So I'm not going to be able to divide by 5. 2 times 9 times 8. 2 times 9 times 4 divided by 8 would work. Maybe I just try that. Just try to place some more stuff. Oh, wait. Okay. 2 times 9 times 4, so 6 times. This is going to give me 9. 2 times 9 times 8 divided by 4 squared is 9. Let's just do that. I think that's going to place the 9, hopefully. Tries a couple new things. Yeah, trying to place a bunch of stuff here. We haven't used a 5, but it's really hard to use 5 with these other numbers. So there isn't a second multiplication. There is division here. There is a squared. And it doesn't go here? If the squared doesn't go there, I think it has to go here. And this has to be a double-digit number, I think, then. How is this working? There's only one 9. There isn't another multiplication. Wow, this is wild. I don't understand how this is working. I'm really thrown off by this. I feel like we need a double-digit number here squared, which is going to be huge. We're multiplying it by 2, and then we can divide by a double-digit number, but double-digit numbers get real big real fast. Even if I use... I mean, I could do 200. I could do 20 squared, 20-something squared. If we make these numbers as small as they can possibly be, then it's 24 squared. Those are the 2 smallest numbers I can use. And I need a 5. Okay, I could divide by... No, yeah. So I'm in the 400s. Even if I divide by 50, it's 8. And I need this to be a single-digit number at the end. So if I divide by 95... It can't be 95. What's 24 squared? I probably should figure that out. It's 400 something. 25 squared is 625. And I can minus a 25 and a 24. So that's 576. Yeah, that's right. 24 squared is 576, which is massive. Yeah, even if I divide by 90, like even if I divide by 100, I'm still getting a double-digit number. So this isn't possible. The lowest I can go here is 22 squared, and that's still going to be really big. I feel like I just got to put some numbers in the right places, I think. It doesn't even matter if 2... I just want to try... It would be nice to see if there's another 2 in the equation. I gotta move some stuff around. I kind of want to know if there's 2 5s in the equation. I don't know. I want to see if there's 2 2s. Let's go plus 5. I just want to see if the exponent goes here because I feel like it has to. Oh, but then I can't divide by anything. I guess I can divide by 5. So I'm checking if there's two 2s. I'm checking if there's two 5s, which I think is interesting. Oh, but now I can't even... What number goes here? Nothing. 22 plus 5 squared divided by 5, that equals 27. I don't even know. I'm not even getting much information out of this, but I just want to figure out a few things there. So the squared does go there. There's only one 5, only one 2. So how are we doing this? I don't... What is getting squared here? There's some like weird thing happening here that I just don't understand. 2 times 4 and 9 can't go there. So now, what do I have room for even? I have to place a 9, 5, 8, and 4. And I have room for 5 characters. I know that 2, 5, and 9 don't repeat. I'm out of numbers. 4 can't go here. I can't put 2 parentheses or else I don't have enough room for all the numbers that I have left. So how am I squaring something is the ultimate question for me. I don't understand how if it's a double digit number here, this gets way too... You can't square... Like the smallest number that I can put here is the 5. If I square 50 something, it's massive. What am I missing? Is like 54 squared divisible by 8 cubed or something? 54 squared, no way. No, that's way too many 2s. 54 squared, 9 goes into that. 9 cubed, 54 squared divided by 9. This is like the only way I can think that this would possibly... 9 cubed is pretty big. 54 squared has got to be bigger. 54 squared is going to have a... It's not... 54 squared is... Oh, 9 times 6. Ooh. Is this it? I think this might be it. That's such a hard equation, dude. I didn't even want to do the math in my head. This is the only thing that made any sense. That's such a hard equation. Oh my god. That thing was brutal. I'm just psyched I'm through it. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.